Paper method. Grab a seed tomato. Very easy to grow. I have
It's showtime!
Grab a seed tomato. Very easy to grow. I have here from Stop and Shop. Grow and Learn. Download the Grow and Learn app and scan this marker to unlock your digital garden. Stopandshop.com. Grow and Learn. Scan that bad boy in, pause that video at any given time. This is a carrot. There are instructions on the inside of the box. You're going to take the cocoa coin. You're going to add a half an ounce to an ounce of water. Put it in a saucer. As it expands, you're going to take the soil, put it into the pod. You could turn it upside down if you like. It's absorbing the water. You can see it expand. You're going to take the soil, place it in. This is where you can compact things. You can add a little bit more water. Then you're going to take the carrot. There are seeds in here for carrots. You're going to lay it over. And then you're going to simply lay the soil on top. You're not going to pack it down. Even though you see me starting to put it in and place it in, don't pack it down hard. Just enough that it covers the inside. Then you're going to take your marker. On the back of the marker, plus or minus 16 weeks. Water this regularly. Watch it so it dries. Add some water until it grows up, and then you want to transplant. It's that simple to simply plant seeds. Paper towel method. In the soil with paper. That's how things are done. Have a great day, and thank you for viewing.